We can channel it right through here. This pipe will work perfectly. All right, hold it right there. Looks perfectly aligned to me. Here comes the water flow. Look at this massive field! We need to build a harvester. Let's get to the workshop. Let's make this track width 800. Perfect! That will fit the rows. This is gonna work. Let's lift it up. Align it right there. I've got this side. Tighten it down. Perfect. Spins exactly like it should.